Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to Sunbeam News Bulletin. I am Pragya with my team members and we are divided into two teams. Team 1 who will bring you a national news, a sad news and a news report, and Team 2 who will bring you national achievements and some government updates. So let's start.
Good morning and dear respected teachers and all my dear friends. I am up with my friends Anjane and Pragya from class 7th Samim School Mirzapur. Today's headlines are represented by Anjane, Arpit and later by Pragya who will bring you a special report. So let us begin with the top stories.
A sudden blast, a loud noise, and the movements of fear. A bomb blast in Delhi has once again shaken the sense of safety in the capital city. The incident took place near the busy area, causing panic among the public. People ran for the cover and smoke filled the surroundings.
Yes, Andre. Emergency services rushed to the spot within the minutes. Police and security forces have sealed the area, while the injured were taken to the nearby hospitals, and investigation agencies have started their probe. And officials have assured that strict action will be taken among those responsible.
Authorities have urged the citizens to stay calm and alert. Security has been increased across the city to prevent any further danger.
This tragic incident reminds us that the peace is precious and must be protected at all costs.
So let us move on to another heartbreaking news. The sudden death of Dharmendra has left everyone in a deep sorrow.
Dharmendra was known for his humble nature and positive impact among those around him. His untimely demise created a wave of grief among the family, friends, and all the well-wishers.
Tribute and condolences are pouring from all these sides. People remember him not just for who he was, but the values for he stood for.
We pray that his soul rests in peace and his family find the strength to face these difficulties.
So for the further news, I would like to call Pragya to update us about the weather report in Mirzapur.
Jai Hind everyone. I am Pragya, your trustful news reporter from Sunbeam School Mirzapur, bringing you the top weather news from the hearts of Mirzapur, where even the weather keeps you guessing. Today in Mirzapur, the weather is intense as the town's reputation. The morning began under a blanket of thick fog, reducing visibility across the highways and river banks. The temperature stayed near 14 degrees Celsius with a biting cold that slowed life but not ambition. In afternoon, the fog cleared abruptly, making a way for a sharp and forgiving sun. The temperature climbed to 26 degrees Celsius with dusty winds that carried dust and tension alike. Residents were advised to stay hydrated and avoid unnecessary exposure. In the afternoon, the conditions shifted once again. Gusty winds moved in from the west, bringing a sudden chill. The sky turned into the dramatic shades of red and orange, signaling a rapid drop in temperature. Tonight, Mirzapur will experience clear skies with temperature falling to 12 degrees Celsius. However, over the next few days, Mirzapur will experience freezing mornings, warm afternoons, and unpredictable winds because this is Mirzapur, with changes in the weather. Thank you for the updates.
Turned the match completely in India's favor.
Really, Arada, the finally winning moment allowed the entire nation erupted in joy from villages to big cities, celebration filled the streets. Messages of congratulations flew in from the Prime Minister, former cricketers and citizens across the country.
This victory is not just a trophy, it is a symbol of women empowerment, confidence, and national pride.
India's salute its champions.
I'm the mother from the Mirzapur Meteorological Office, where the weather has a mind of its own and feeling to match the city. Today in Mirzapur, the temperature hovered around the 42 degrees Celsius, but thanks to dramatic skies and simmering rivalries in the air, it feels like 50 degrees Celsius. The sun remains brilliantly bright and casting alongside those for plotting and power moves. Winds are blowing at a poisonous pace, and carrying whispers, unfinished ventas, and the occasional smell of black salt with roadside chai.
Well done. India had shown its power to the whole world. India had shown its determination, power, and strength. We be united, be prepared, and Jai Hind.